Let me turn on the light. Look at this, guys. Guys, this is my chicken. Clean it up already, and here's my season: paprika, oregano, onion powder, black pepper, thyme, all-purpose season, and some jerk season. And I have some brown in here to add some color, more color to the chicken. But first I'm gonna add some olive oil, put in all of the season. Not gonna add no pepper because the jerk season have a lot of pepper in it already. Okay. I had some brownie, not a lot, just a little. Here I have on my gloves, guys. This is optional, you don't have to put on the gloves, but I don't want to, you know, season it up with my bare hands. So what I'm doing now, I just rubbing the season in my chicken. Make sure everywhere get seasoned. What I did with my chicken breast, I just sliced in the middle. I know chicken breast thick, and I want the season to go in there, all the way in there. So I just slice my chicken breast and my chicken leg. Slice it, and the season can go all in. You know them part that thick, yeah. See that, guys? Yeah. The seasoning is all over the chicken. I'm gonna give it a taste now and see if it's okay, if it tastes alright. If it have the taste what me I look for, what me want. Yeah. Okay, it tastes great. I'm gonna put a little more jerk seasoning in there. And I put a little more all-purpose in there. I buy this at Walmart, you know, you can't use it and not wash it, so wash it out and clean it up already. Wash it with some soap inside and outside. You like baked chicken in this. The bake or roast chicken great in this, or some jerk chicken, I like everything in this because I just get a nice texture. Trust me, I love using it. Just try it and tell me all about it in the comment box, okay guys? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour some oil all over this. Okay, just like this. I'm gonna put my chicken in now. Okay, my oven is hot already, so I just put the chicken in. And you see the skin is still on because the skin just keep the moisture in the chicken also. So I'm gonna take off the skin. Okay, I'm going to let this bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Some Jamaican jerk chicken, okay guys? I'm going to put this in there. Jamaican jerk chicken, well seasoned and ready to go in the oven. Okay guys, so guys, what I'm doing now, half an hour later, I'm gonna take it out of the oven. I'm gonna rest it right here. So look guys, and I have this here, I get it at Walmart. What I'm gonna do is to use this and suck up some moisture in it and just spray it all over the chicken, and this helps to keep the chicken moist and nice. Okay, just gonna put it back in the oven. So guys, what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna make some sauce to put on my jerk chicken. When I had 1 teaspoon of sugar, pour some vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, add some ketchup, 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix this together, combine everything. Taste it. Okay. So I have 15 minutes leave in the jerk chicken in the oven. Just 15 minutes. What I'm gonna do with my sauce that I just made. Just gonna paint my jerk chicken with my sauce. Turn it over. Turn them over. Same thing. Let's take this side. All done guys, look at it. It looks so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let me turn on the light. Look at this guys. My Jamaican jerk chicken. See that guys? Try this recipe and tell me all about it guys. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it, love it, love it.